Hi traders, this is Jason from SA Shares, and today we are going to be taking a look at Saxo Bank. Be sure to like, subscribe and click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. Saxo Bank is an online Danish bank that was founded in 1992 by Kim Fournais and Lars Christensen. With Saxo Bank, you can trade more than 60,000 Forex pairs, bonds, options, cryptocurrencies, futures, CFDs, ETFs and stocks. They offer an exceptional proprietary trading platform with VIP perks, managed portfolios, and expert insights. Saxo Bank is one of the most trusted online investment platforms, and they are regulated by 6 international agencies, including the Australian Securities and Investments Commission, as well as the Financial Conduct Authority. More than 850,000 people from around the world trade with Saxo Bank, and over 270,000 trades are processed every day. Saxo Bank offers a user-friendly website, and you can easily find more information about the accounts you can open with them, the platforms and tools you can use, and the instruments and trading conditions they offer by choosing an option from the menu bar. The homepage highlights some of the key features of their accounts and also displays information about the instruments you can trade with them. There are also direct download links for the platforms, along with a pricing schedule and links to different sections of the website at the very bottom of the homepage. To find out more about the instruments you can trade with Saxo Bank, simply click on the Products tab and choose an instrument from the drop-down menu for more details. Saxo Bank currently offers more than 190 tradable Forex pairs, with flexible leverage levels and tight spreads. They also offer more than 60,000 stocks, indices, bonds, ETFs, cryptocurrencies, futures, CFDs, and commodities. The Saxo Bank customer support team is available 24 hours a day, and you can contact them via email or telephonically. You can view their contact details under the About section of the website, and direct numbers and email addresses for their international head offices are provided. We would also recommend visiting the Help Center by going to the Support section of the website. And here, you might find that the questions you have already been answered, and they also provide detailed guides to help you get started with setting up your account, making your first deposit, and anything else you might need help with. Saxo VIP clients get the best prices, priority support, and exclusive event invitations. And they also offer loyalty rewards for high-volume traders. The more you trade, the higher your tier, and the better your rewards. You can also earn rewards by referring your friends and family to Saxo Bank. Saxo Bank offers award-winning platforms for mobile and desktop trading, and you can choose between using Saxo Trader Go and Saxo Trader Pro. The Saxo Trader Go is a beginner-friendly trading platform that comes with a variety of built-in tools for sentiment indicators, technical and fundamental analysis, automated trade signals, live charts, and a range of annotation tools, along with over 40 technical indicators and plenty of intuitive drawing tools that you can use to identify and monitor trading patterns and refine your trading strategies. With this platform, you can easily manage your account with detailed portfolio summaries, performance analysis, and breakdowns of your trading activities. You will also have access to in-depth research content, Forex news, Saxo Strats analysis, price data, trade ideas, and educational material. And the Saxo Trader Go platform comes with several built-in risk management tools and features to help you manage your trades and protect your account. If you are looking for a more advanced, professional-level trading platform, we recommend switching over to the Saxo Trader Pro platform. Saxo Trader Pro comes with in-depth market analysis features and a wide range of advanced order management tools. It also has an advanced trade ticket system, and it can be used for algorithmic trading. With this application, you will have access to annotations, drawing tools, and over 50 technical indicators that you can use to analyze price trends. As a client, you will also be able to use a variety of third-party applications and platforms, such as OpenAPI for Excel, Dynamic Trend, TradingView, Multicharts, and UpData. With Saxo Bank, you can open either a standard Saxo account, a joint account, a corporate account, or a professional account. And if you are a first-time client, you can open a risk-free demo account first to see if you like the platforms and trading conditions. If you are trading for the first time, then we would recommend opening a demo account first to see which account you prefer the most. Demo accounts will give you an opportunity to test out the tools and features of different accounts with zero risks using virtual currency in a simulated market environment. To trade with Saxo Bank, a minimum deposit of $2,000 must be made into your account before it will be activated. Once you have made your first deposit, you will have access to thousands of tradable instruments and the Saxo Bank platforms. All Saxo accounts have 3 tiers: Classic, Platinum, and VIP. And each account comes with 24-hour customer support and tight spreads. You can also use any of these accounts to trade on the Saxo Bank mobile and desktop platforms, and they are suitable for all styles of trading. The Classic account offers the tightest spreads, while the Platinum account offers reduced prices with multilingual customer support. If what you are looking for is a more personalized experience, the VIP account guarantees the lowest trading costs and access to Saxo Strats. And with this account, you will receive invitations to exclusive events and advice from the Saxo Bank experts. You will also have the option of opening a joint Saxo account, and we recommend opening this account if you are planning to trade or invest with a friend or family member, or you can open a corporate account, which comes with a dedicated account manager and one-on-one 24-hour customer support. If you have been trading for a long time and you are ready to take your trading career to the next level, you can also open a professional account. We recommend this account if you'll be making larger deposits and if you want a higher leverage limit and tighter spreads. Alternatively, professional clients also have the option of opening a portfolio-based margin account. We recommend this account type if you will be combining many different positions across a wide range of instruments and different asset classes. If you will be running option strategies that are not currently recognized by the standard margin model, or if you are planning on running multi-leg option strategies, trading CFDs combined with options in the same underlying risk factor, or trading calendar spreads on index options and CFDs to achieve netting and margin reductions. The main difference between the standard model margin account and the portfolio-based margin account is the way their margin levels are structured, but they are both great options for professional traders. Creating an account with Saxo Bank may take up to 24 hours. However, the account creation process is simple and straightforward. Firstly, launch the Saxo Bank homepage, and then click on the Open Account button. Complete the online application form, and then verify your account and email address. Once your account has been verified, you can log into the client portal. And once your account is set up and approved, you can simply fund your account and start trading. If you are looking for inspiration, trading ideas and expert insights, Saxo Bank provides high-quality research content and actionable advice from their in-house strategists. You can also stay one step ahead with the market forecasts and predictions provided, and we recommend tuning into their weekly Market Call podcasts and webinars for exclusive insights into trading different instruments and how market movements could affect you. Despite the high minimum deposit required to trade with Saxo Bank, they are still beginner-friendly, and you can practice trading on a demo account and use the educational resources provided to learn the basics of trading and trade in a risk-free environment until you have developed a trading strategy and you are ready to open a real account. They provide plenty of platform tutorials to show you how to use the tools and features of the Saxo Trader applications, and introductory trading courses are also provided to help you get started. Saxo Bank has won many awards over the years, and most recently, they were awarded for having the best retail Forex platform, being the best Forex broker, and for offering the best application for stock trading. Overall, Saxo Bank has been a leader in the trading industry for more than 2 decades, and their technology is used by banks like Standard Bank and Old Mutual to provide trading and investment services to their clients. This is one of our top-rated brokers for professional traders and high-volume traders, but they also offer demo accounts and educational resources for beginners, and their award-winning platforms can be used for all styles of trading and any type of trading strategy. If you are interested, be sure to open your Saxo Bank account today and bring a friend along with you to claim your referral reward and get a head start on your trading career with the Saxo Loyalty Program. And that is our overview of Saxo Bank. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with SA Shares now, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.